This is Royal Alpante speaking about MMM. MMM Global Community is a mutual aid society, a new and unique social phenomenon in which people really do help each other. It's a global network of people offering mutual help, having fast steps of growth and under permanent development, whose members by providing assistance and other guided by a certain system of rules create their own personal income up to 30% per month. MMM is an international mutual aid community. It has more than 138 million of participants around the globe. This is a social network of people that help each other. Member of community donate and send money directly to a participant. MMM is not a company nor a business as well. How MMM works: people exchange their spare money to improve their well-being. Direct money transfer among participants into their Bitcoin's currency wallet. Everybody aims for this new trustful financial relationship. Today you help someone, tomorrow someone will help you. Roles of MMM: you can get 30% per month to help in MMM, plus 10% referral bonus for the help made by the people invited to MMM. You can have 20% to 100% extra bonus per month for the new program added. If you are a manager, you can earn these bonuses: 5% for the first level of participants contributed those who under you directly, 3% for the second level participant contributed, 1% for the third level, 0.5% for the fourth level, and 0.3% for the fifth level, and 0.1% all the next level under you. And MMM Mabro is derived from the founder's name. Sergio Mabroodi is designed to reward its participants to exercise the power of giving by declaring their intention to provide help to the community. Mabro is a conventional unit in the system that grew 3.75% every Tuesday and Thursday, 8 times in a month, or 30% a month. It is a system reward that if you need help, the amount that you can get help is based on the accumulated Mabros, and someone from the community will provide help. This is Royal Alpante speaking about MMM ideology. Thank you.